right? And I hope she come up here so because yeah, we talk the things them know. So today Plummy called me, guys, and she said she want apologize, and she want apologize to Kevin also. She don't know Kevin from Adams. She don't know Kevin from Adams, right? She said she want to apologize, but me said to her, I said, before you apologize, I want prank him first. You understand me? I see him reaction, how him a go act. You get me? You know the whole thing? You know the whole thing? When me a prank him, I not lie to you. I don't even feel like I play them. Right, you know the whole thing when me a prank him, guys, I not lie. I don't know if you see my face and me a try holding back on everything. It was a prank. Right now, him still bex. I get the video, I show him the video. As I show him the video, it's like him look on it. Him knows that him in the video, him just push back the phone, give me. You understand? It was a prank. Yeah, and I mean decide for prank, you know, because I know so many people want to believe, say, yes, it happened. Yeah, bye, girl. Bye, bitch. Bye. Bye-bye. You didn't want to see me a cry? No. But ready now for the finale. The grand finale now. No. For the boy Kim, Shay, and Tiki, them know about this. Right? I'm going to call them name again. Shay, Tiki, Kim. The whole of them know say this was a look here, the prank did not go on before me even know say a prank. So them did know, them organize everything from beginning. You understand what I say? Because them want to mash up my relationship. So what them do now, them did not run with this for everybody believe so me and TikTok police can live. Right? But the thing is this, the woman contact me. Right? And she tell me the truth what really go down and she feel a way about it. She don't know Kevin from Adams. Kevin no pay for nobody funeral. Kevin no rent nowhere with nobody. And them did not do it. Right? So what share them do, them find somebody where them can try for work with, for mash up your life. No for uno no want believe that, but uno better believe that because me tell you about thinking Shay and Kim. Me tell you about them dirty people there, but nobody no want believe me. Them find the girl, and the girl did not do it for fun. But the girl, she said the thing serious. Right? And the girl said to me, say, here what, Annie, a long time I know you, I'm a rate your thing. You understand what I say? A long time I watch up on social media. So when thinking Kim and smell body Shay, she said, me I live my local life and I live in a my local relationship. You look a dirty drunk or them get vexed and jealous. And they so now them a use them brains and have the person I do this. Which as well as style them a style my relationship, because if you do this with a person, you know say this can cause a relationship for mash up. You understand me? Today the girl reached out to me. See me here? Today the girl reached out to me, guys. When I want to talk loud, people get me there. Today the girl reached out to me and the girl apologized. I need you guys to stop bash her. I need you guys to stop bash her because she never did have to come out and said anything. Yeah, man. She never, no, guys. She never did have to come out, said anything to anybody. She come out and she apologized. You get what me I say? And it was at this, she make sure me understand what go on pan that the side there. When she didn't go apologize, me said to her, I said, no, not yet. Me want prank Kevin for see how him act. You see me? So the whole thing start out with thinking Kim. When we want to see my relationship go down to the ground and dirty smell bad fishy mouth, dirty thinking cranny, big wall, cardboard wall, blood clot, Shay nasty, big thinking blood clot crutch. Just because you see me on the media, I live my blood clot life and I enjoy my life. You go find blood clot people about to now run blood clot prank. Prank your big thinking hole. Go prank your Jenny blood clot hole. A dog. Yeah. Right there, so. Plummy, when you come up. Plummy, when you're ready, come up. Because I don't know if you're not brave enough. But Plummy, when you're ready for come up, slide up on Annie. Yeah, I don't want you going like you're an idiot. Another camera, no cap. You see that girl there when you share? She go set up a whole heap of life on social media. Watch and see. Good night.
You never see me yet, but oh God. I right here, so I live and me do all I work. Your husband can tell you, just ask him who name Mello.
Yeah.
I'm one in that's my little birthday, July count. You have to dead. You know go well if we know.
No
follow nobody. I love you every day. I watch you see the yard they down there. So but
alright. Me come up if you say yeah is a realist. Come up.